It's 2019 registered, almost 2020 2019 ending registered bike. Suzuki Gixxer SF MotoGP Edition 150. The sticker says 250, but it's a 150cc bike, claiming mileage from anywhere between 45 to 55 depending on the riding style. The engine has been started and there is no sign. You can hear the sound. It's completely refined engine. This is the tank, scratchless. The odometer readings is 27232, and it is completely driven safely and well maintained. There is a helmet, Suzuki original, same branding, same EcoSport MotoGP edition helmet, worth 3000. So helmet weight itself is 1.4 grams. No nonsense bike. Anyone interested, please. The current asking for the bike is, it's a second owner bike to be confirmed, and the current asking is 75,000, negotiable. No major works, everything is covered in the service, and recently this has been changed. The brakes, ABS is completely working fine. I've changed this regarding original service center has changed this regarding there was no issue, but I have changed due to color corrosion. MH01 series. Tire conditions are well enough. Full grips. Front tires goes 90%. Back tire is 85%. And there is a tube installed inside the tire due to extra safety on road. So yeah, it's a full groove tire. The chain set is good. No need to change. Refined engine. The only thing which is currently need to be changed is left shocker, because it has some scratches on it. It will cost around 2000 completely, as quoted by the service center. This is the only work, I think, and yeah, it's a complete bike in a running condition. The asking is 75, negotiable. You can see the condition on the rails. It has not been much scratchless condition almost. So you can see the bike is less driven. Completely seat cover installed by Suzuki. The seat cover costed around 800 or something. And yeah, you can see the condition of tank. It's in scratchless condition. The odometer rating is 27,000. Less driven bike. And nothing goes wrong with the bike up to 1.5 lakh kilometers. I have seen the people who ride. Front disc brake is also completely 95% accurate. Always on DRL. I've hidden the number plate out due to person contacts. You can contact me, and yeah, the chain set is also good. You can see the condition of chain. It's in perfect condition. No extra sound or kit pit, no work in the engine. The helmets come with the bike, including no extra cost. It's a second owner bike, so the person who will buy, the price is negotiable, and fine, I think 3000 rupees fine, so that will be adjusted in the final price. 75,000 is the current asking for the bike. It's in complete condition. Need just a few wash, and silencer, and you can see the chrome finish. It's in complete condition. Yeah, please let me know if anyone is interested. It's a ready to go bike. All documents are clear. Insurance need to be done by the party, and helmet is free. I have already mentioned that. So I don't think any detail is left. You can see the back condition of the shopper. It's in very good condition. No extra sound. You can hear the sound. So this will be included in the bike. The helmet security. Odometer rating or no other nonsense on the bike. No other services. Only the shocker needs to be replaced. That will be finalized when the deal is closed, so you can give your best. 75,000 is the asking and need to be given in this condition. I have just ridden the bike, best for short touring like Lonavala, Matheran or nearby Nashik, Pune. It's a good bike with a mileage of 45, depending on the riding condition. 45 to 55 is the mileage. I currently get 52 kilometers per kmpl, but that is according to the rider's style. So you can see the hand grips, it's not like grab rails are good, in a good condition. So yeah, thank you.